Hi guys, my name is Chris. I live here in Macau, and for today's video, we are going to feature 188 of 1000. This is St. John's Cathedral Central here in Hong Kong. Did you know that this church has a grave of a remarkable person in World War II buried within the cathedral precinct and is registered by the Commonwealth War Graves Commission? During the Japanese occupation of Hong Kong, this cathedral was converted into a club for the Japanese. And lastly, this was declared a monument in 1996, which means that this church received the highest level of protection from the Board of Antiquities and Chief Executive of Hong Kong. Now, why am I sharing this to you? It's because churches used to be the landmarks in our history and a mirror to our society. Wala sa plano ang trip na ito. I was asked to go to British Consulate to inquire for a UK visa, but then I end